Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial video just like the old days, and it is on this look that I am wearing right now. I actually recreated this look which I've worn last week to an event that I posted on Instagram right here. And I got so many requests from my followers asking me to make a tutorial on the makeup look. So this is it. This is the makeup tutorial. So in this tutorial, whatever products that I use, these are the products that I consider my favorites. That's why I use them. I bring them to travel, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you would know that I travel a lot. I live in Penang. I travel to KL like all the time. Yeah, these are the products that are actually in my makeup bag and I love to use them. Without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial.
We'll start with prepping our face with Urban Decay's new Rebound Prepping Spray. For primer, I'll be using Lancome's La Base Pro primer and apply this on the areas of my face where there's a little texture or pores just to smoothen it out. For foundation, I'm going a little lighter this time, using the Miracle Finish Anti-Darkening Cushion from the Face Shop. This is my favorite cushion at the moment. Moving on to brows, I've rediscovered my love for Benefit's KaBrow Creme Gel Brow Color in number 5, and so I'm using it to fill in my brows. To get that brows on fleek, I'm taking this Nars cream concealer on a flat brush and start shaping my brows with it. Taking the same concealer, I'm just putting it all over my eyelids as a base. For this look, I'll be using Colourpop's I Think I Love You eyeshadow palette, and to start, take this matte brown shade on a fluffy brush and apply it on the crease and above it as a transition shade. Then take this darker brown shade and apply it on your crease, building the intensity as you go. Now for the tricky bit. Take some concealer on a flat brush and start drawing out your crease. I usually just follow my natural crease line first and then build it a little bit higher. Then blend out the outer edges with your fingers. Next, take this shimmery champagne shade on a synthetic brush and apply it on the middle part of your eyelids. And then take this lighter shimmery shade and fill in the inner section of the eyelid. As for the outer corners, we'll pat on some of this shimmery chocolate shade to fill it in. To further deepen the eyes, I'll be taking this matte black shade onto a small brush and just apply a tiny bit of it on the outer corners of the eyes like so. And then blend out any harsh edges. Next, I'll be taking this crease shade that we used earlier and apply that on the lower lash line. Curl those lashes good because we're about to put on some mascara. Today, I'll be using the Shiseido Full Lash Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras for now. Next, I'll be drawing out a razor sharp wings on the outer corners of my eyes using the Clinique Pretty Easy eyeliner. To create a bit more dimension, take this shade on a precise brush and carefully apply it on your drawn crease. To complete the eye look, I'm going to put on some falsies. Moving on, I'll be using the new Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer to conceal my under eyes and also highlight the high points of my face. This concealer dries up pretty fast, so it's better if you blend it out in sections. To set the concealer in place, I'll be using this Dark Cosmetics loose powder using a brush. Then just brush off the excess powder on your face. For today's contour, I'll be using this Tarte bronzer to define my nose and my cheekbones. Now for my favorite part, blusher. I'm using this blusher from Manniqueen Beauty for this look. I've been loving this color on my cheeks. Next, I'm gonna take some of this highlighter from Mina and apply it on the tops of my cheek, inner corners of my eyes, tips and bridge of my nose, and the brow bone. The usuals. On to the lips. I'll be using Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte in Sugar Mama and apply it all over my lips. And then, as always, add a little bit of red lipstick, like so, to make it look more natural. Finally, set everything in place by spraying on some setting spray, and you're done.
So that's it. That is the final look, and this is the look that we have created today. I love wearing this look. I think you can wear it on the daytime or also nighttime, and I understand that cut crease may be a little bit difficult for some of you guys who are like a little bit in the beginner side, but it's okay. I took quite some practice before I could perfect it, but I think if you guys really tried it, it will really transform your makeup look. Once you start doing this cut crease thing, it will change your eyeshadow game, I'm telling you. So go ahead and try it. I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching again. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, as usual, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye-bye!